Welcome to Dobby's Repairs. I'm Dobby the Fixing Elf, and this is what's in my toolbox, the series where I show you the tools I use to repair cars and fix things. So let's find out what's in my toolbox today. Under this instalment, we have this USPRO seal puller. It's a pretty handy little one. It's got an adjustable head, I'll show you that in a minute. It's fairly robust. It's got this lovely rubber gripped handle, which gives you plenty of leverage. Well, so you can't really see that. Let me adjust the camera a bit. There we go, that's a bit better. So yeah, I've got this rubber comfort grip handle here, giving you plenty of solid grip, even when your hands are a bit greasy and oily. It's always good when you're pulling these seals. Normally I put oil seals with this, or grease seals. And the sort of seals I pull are these ones in here. So this is a actual seal off a Ford C-Max. And yeah, the idea of it is, you get it in there, and you hook it out, and you pull it out without damaging the surrounding area, or the maintenance surface. Like I said, it's two different ends, so one's slightly longer than the other. And overall the whole length is just under 30 centimetres, yeah. Sorry, there's a little measuring on the mat here, you can't really see that in the picture. Yeah, it's for this style. This is a spare one I picked up. I did have some footage of me fitting one of these, but I've lost it, I can't find it anywhere, so that's a bit disappointing. And I'd use this to remove the old one, but typically. And normally I fit to order 3 of the seals. So I'll put that back quickly. Yes, I normally order 3 of these. So if I damage one installing it, I can replace it easily enough. Very much working then. Yeah, overall it's a pretty cool little thing. It's just over 30 centimetres long, so it's quite a good length. Because of the adjustable head, so you loosen this little screw here, this little thumb screw, and pull it back, and that will adjust to virtually any angle along this little selection. So you've got 5 different angles you can lock it into. So for instance, if I want to lock it into this angle, I can, and it locks in really nicely. And yeah, gives a bit of a different angle to get more leverage to pull out any seals that are a bit stubborn. Also, if you're in an engine bay or somewhere tight and hard to get into, these work a treat. Especially good on the axle seals. I've used it a few times to remove axle seals and different things, and yes, so you just pull it down and you can adjust it to different angles. You've got quite a few different angles really, which is good. It's also very well built. It's got a little spring in here for the detention, so basically what you do is loosen this up, drop it down, and then whatever angle you select, say we want that one, you can do that, but you can also, relatively like that, it clicks into place so it's nice and solid. And tighten that down so it doesn't move up the angle, which is pretty good. And yeah, gives you plenty of leverage and plenty of different angles to get these seals out. And it's a pretty good little tool really in that respect. I just have the you can see the bit marked up on the handle here, but it does hold up fairly well and grip's really good. It's dip, so I'm guessing it's a nylon dip, doesn't really say. Obviously it's made by USPRO, so it's quite a decent tool, quite a good brand. And yeah, overall I like the adjustment on it. I like the fact that you can get different angles, and I think I've used it a fair few times now. I really have enjoyed it. So I'll move on to my final thoughts now. And I'm going to give this a 3 spanner rating. So the spanner will pop up always. And yes, that's a good score. Pretty handy. There are obviously other ways you can remove seals. You don't need a specialist tool to remove seals. You need a screwdriver. You can put some little screws into the seal itself and then pull it out with that. But this is the easiest way I've found. It's so much more reliable than the other way. So much better than damaging the maintenance surface, and then you've got to sand it down, and then you have problems with oil leaks, and it's just quite a big problem sometimes. But this way works out fairly simply really. And yeah, so before I let you go, if you're new here, don't forget to drop a like, consider subscribing, that really helps out the channel and helps me out. Any questions, drop a comment. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback, let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.